This is me. Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Spain.
I live in Oquendo.
I'm a student at the Milagrosa School.
There are 4 people in my family. My dad, my mom, my brother and me.
My dad is a cook and my mother works in a factory. My birthday is on the 4th of October.
My favorite food is pizza and my favorite drink is water.
My favorite sport are basketball and football.
I like playing with my telephone.
I like playing with Nintendo.
And don't like bullying. Stop bullying! I love dancing. I study English because I want to get in a university in Canada.
My best friend is Daniela. She's the best.
We go hide away in daylight. We go undercover, wait up the sun. Got a secret side in plain sight. Where the streets are empty, that's where we run. Everyday people do everyday things, but I can't be one of them. I know you hear me now. We are a different kind. We can do anything. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. do it so low. Every single night I lose it. I can't even hear the music without you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Try to stop myself from calling, but I really wanna know if you're with someone new. Since you've been gone, I've been dancing on my own. These boys up in my zone, but they can't turn me on. 'Cause baby, you're the only one I'm coming for. I can't take no more, no more, no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party, touch, touch, touch. But I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Since the day we parted, touch, touch, touch. But I got nobody, so I do it so low.